Okay, in this video we're going to go over advanced selection tools, such as filtering and the select previous command. So I'm in Revit right now, and sometimes you would want to modify multiple elements of the same type, but it can be difficult to use keyboard modifiers or a crossing window or a selection window to select all the elements. Take these doors for instance, right? In this case, I could easily do a window selection to grab all of them, but in more complex floor plans, you'll have a lot of overlaying elements and you might grab something unintentionally. So what you can do is use selection filtering. So you'll notice if I select this entire object, I then get a contextual tab called Modify Multi-Select. Here I get a lot of the modify commands that we covered in a previous video, as well as some measurement and view commands. We're not going to be talking about those right now. We're going to focus purely on selection, and mainly this filter button. When you click filter, a new box pops up, and it tells you what you currently have selected. You can see here at the bottom, I have 12 items selected, and then it gives me the families that I have selected. I have 5 doors selected and 7 walls. To modify my selection, I just simply unchecked the elements I do not wish to have selected and click apply. You'll notice that the walls are no longer highlighted in blue, and instead just the doors are. I could then recheck them and uncheck doors if I only wanted to select walls. When I click apply and then OK, my selection is filtered to what I selected. Another option I want to make you aware of is the select previous button. So let's say I grab these 2 doors and I needed to move them 6 inches up. Use the move command, grab a point out in space, and move them 6 inches. And let's say I finished that command and I deselected the elements, but then I realized, oh, it was actually supposed to be 3 inches. If I simply right-click anywhere in open space, I have the option to select previous, which will make my previous selection current. Then I modify them as necessary.